what type of duck they are, but they are ducks. They are a type of waterfowl. The fowl is also involved. This is pool, food, and I think that's what. And they're all other things, except for the white one.
Oh gosh.
Bro, look at the thousand. It's not thousand. Thousand up there. Hello. These are quails. They're a very small bird, but they have way more protein. They have like 3 times more protein than chickens. And their eggs are also very small. These chickens are different chickens. They're bigger chickens. I don't know what breed they are. This one's named Bowser. I don't know the others. Maybe this one's a Chai and down dove. And there's an egg right over there. It's an egg. Right over there. There's an egg. Alpacas. They are fluffy and we have the same hairstyle. They're big, kind of like horses, but they're not. And they're different from llamas. They're cute, fluffy, soft. They're different from rabbits. And down sleeping. He's dreaming about eating, I think. That one. And that kind of looks like a Lincoln Logs food thingy. And one's inside the tunnel. That's the one for the tunnel. This is the dog. It's kind of like a horse. It's not a horse. I'm eating right now. What can I do, Frog? This is a duck. What the fuck? Oh yeah, I already did this vlog, so bye.